Are you over 40 starting to feel tired and frustrated with your health? Have you tried a ton of other gyms and diet programs that were just impossible to stick with? Hey, I'm Ben Quist, the founder of Foreman Fitness with locations in Mequon and Grafton. We're the only personal training gym in Wisconsin that helps people aged 40 plus lose weight, gain energy, and add more life to their years without fad diets or workouts that beat up your body. We know you want to be the strongest version of yourself. In order to do that, you need to work out, eat right, and get enough sleep. The problem is, life is busy and time is flying by. You're raising kids, building a career, and putting everyone before yourself, which leaves very little time to focus on your health. This makes you feel tired, frustrated, and even uncertain if you'll ever be able to get this on track. We believe everyone deserves to live in a body that they feel great about and that your health doesn't have to decline as you age. We understand what it's like to have a busy life and still find the time and energy to take care of your body, which is why we've built our entire program around helping people aged 40 plus look and feel better than ever. For over a decade, we've helped thousands of people in our community shed on average 10 to 20 pounds of body fat in just a few hours a week. Here's our 3-step process for success. Step 1, fill out the simple contact form below. Step 2, meet with one of our personal trainers who will help you build a fitness and nutrition program that's right for you. Step 3, start getting results immediately. So you can stop gaining weight and waking up tired and instead get control of your health and experience a more active life with the people you love. So go ahead and enter your information and we'll be in touch to get you started. Thanks so much and have a great day.